Welcome to Adobe Illustrator Masterclass, Adobe Illustrator Complete Mega Course Beginner to Advanced. Myself, Paresh Misra. I am a professional designer, YouTuber, and an engineer who already have more than 10k online students who are interested in learning an advanced tip on design. About this course, you will learn about this course, what you have to learn. In this Adobe Illustrator Complete Masterclass, you will learn everything you need to know to begin using Adobe Illustrator. This complete mega course is an 2-in-1 course on Adobe Illustrator. It consists of the fundamental course, which is meant for total beginner, and also the advanced course, which is meant for intermediate and advanced learner. What you learn about this course? You will learn about the color, typography, clipping, masking, 3D and materials, Illustrator and Photoshop effect, also shape patterns, actions, shortcut, brushes and textures, opacity mask, shape blending, graph visualization, geometric grid based designing, 3D isometric designing, and animation, and lots about. Okay, we will start with basic idea about the fundamental of this Adobe Illustrator. What is the basic tools and what is the work and how the work and advanced tool also we will learn, so that we can better design in future. Course benefit. You will learn tips and tricks and technique, and there are a lot of assignment and class exercise in this course, so you will be beneficial about this course. Okay, and who this course is for? If you are a beginner, people who want to learn Adobe Illustrator from a beginner to advanced level, this course is for you. Beginners who want to take their Adobe Illustrator knowledge to next level, for a basic knowledge to advanced level, this course is for him. Everyone who want to learn how to create amazing digital artwork using Adobe Illustrator, this course is for you. And the course content, we will start from intro, Adobe Illustrator intro, basic tools, curve, shape, create artwork, brush property, text tool, and shape merge, blend tool, width tool, zoom, hand tool, advanced selection tool, pen tool, everything we have to cover in this video. So first of all, you will see here the intro to basic tool. From the basic tool to advanced tool, you will learn about the basic fundamental of the basic tools, how the basic tool we can use to create a amazing design in Adobe Illustrator. So each chapter I will explain you how the basic tool and advanced tool will be useful in the future to design a beautiful and amazing design. Okay, so thank you, and we will meet you in my course.